Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing a short set from Adidas. When I say short set, I'm talking about the shorts and the jacket. I got the Tiro 23, and I also have the Adidas SST short set, shorts and jacket. We're going to go over the look, the fit, the price, and you already know I got to put it on. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So right here I do have my pack from Adidas, man, and just let me explain to you a little bit more about the short sets. I mean, you gotta feel me, we're in the summer, you feel me? So it's going to be hot outside, but it also gets cool, so you kind of need that balance of having something that's cool for the daytime. That's where your shorts, you know, your white t-shirt comes in, but then once it gets a little chilly, you want to have something that you could put on that actually matches as well, and that's where the jacket comes in. So right here I have my first pack. I got my trusty box cutter. Let me just go ahead and give it a little slice. Got to be careful because this isn't a box, so I don't want to cut my outfit. Then we're going to go ahead and peel back game. We're going to peel it back. And let's see what we have, man. Let's go. Here we go. We're going to put this to the side. And we're going to start off right here. We do have the shorts. Now, like I said, this is the Adidas Tiro 23, which is the newest model. And I did do a review on the Adidas 23, the joggers with the jacket, so check that video out as well. But right here we have the shorts. You know, we're switching the swag up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and here we go. Now this right here, this is like a royal blue color right here. I did get these in a size medium. So just for my body size, 6 feet, 175 pounds, I got these in a size medium. Very affordable. Now these were $30, and they're made with that same aero ready material. So like if you have any of the other Adidas Tiros, it could be the 19, the 21, or the 23. It is that same material. Here's a good look at the front. We got those 3 stripes going down the side in somewhat of a baby bluish color, and that also matches the Adidas logo right here. So I mean, very nicely coordinated. You already know the vibes, man. Very soft material. Now for performance wise, I don't really know, because I'm not going to be working out in these. These are more of just like a chill Saturday fit, or even just like a regular weekday, and I just want to throw something on. I could put these on. On the back, we do have that same material. As you can see, it is more breathable near the top, near the elastic waistband. We have somewhat of a breathable mesh right here, and it is made with that aero ready fabric right here. Now one thing I was concerned about, but it looks like, yep, we do have pockets, and even better than just regular pockets, we have zippered pockets, because you know how it is with shorts. Sometimes it can get a little strange, you know, you dropping things out of your pocket, but we do have the zippers to avoid that. Let's see, on the inside we do have drawstring as well. Kind of customizes the fit if you like it tight or loose. Like I said, I did get a medium in these, and let me show you what these look like on body. And right here I do have the shorts on. Went ahead, threw them on with a white tee, which is only right, you feel me? We do have those zippered pockets right there, which do keep your valuables safe. We have a very, very lightweight fabric. Like I said, it is that aero ready fabric. Went ahead, threw it on with the Yeezys, the 350s, you feel me? Went ahead and also paired that up with the LA Dodgers, you feel me? Got the all-star hat on with the multiple patches. But yeah, the shorts just feel really good. And next we do have the jacket. Right here we have the jacket. Let me go ahead and open this joint up right here. Let's go. Go ahead and take this right off, and oh yeah, looking good. We have the Adidas Tiro jacket. Now we have that same royal blue, that similar teal, and then we also get a white up top, man. So we're kind of getting like a 3-color vibe right here. It looks like it will match with the shorts perfectly, and that's what we want. We want a good match. This is like taking taking the headache out of the outfit. It's already together. You already know it looks good. You throw in your favorite type of, your favorite white shoes, or if you got some shoes a little blue or teal, anything like that, and you're gonna be good to go, man. So these are like my go-to quick fits. Let's go ahead and open this joint up. Now this is going for $60 right here. I also got a size medium in this as well. Like I said, this is just like the perfect complement to the shorts. We have a pocket on the side. Let's see if this is zippered. Yep, we also have a zippered pocket on here. Like I said, it just makes things that much easier. And this is not a heavyweight jacket at all, so it'll be perfect for even if it is hot, you can still rock this, you feel me? But when it gets chilly, you'll be glad you had that second layer on right here. Let's go ahead and turn to the side. We got that matching Adidas on the top right corner. We got the 3 stripes going all the way down to the bottom. And like I said, this was $60. The shorts were $30. You can't find a better outfit for $90. And Adidas always has sales. You can use like coupon codes, get like 20% off, stuff like that. Matter of fact, I used my Rakuten for this purchase, so I think I got an extra 10% cash back on this. So I mean, I really probably only spent maybe 65, 70 bucks on the whole fit, top and bottom. But yeah, go ahead and use I'll put the link in my description to my Rakuten. So if you need cash back on Adidas, Nike.com, Foot Locker, Foot Action, like pretty much everybody uses it. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you what this looks like on body. And right here, I do have the outfit on together with the jacket. I mean, the jacket looks A1, versatile. You can also zip it down, zip it up depending on your style. I like to really go with a 3/4 zip on mine because it just kind of gives it more continuity. You just see the whole outfit together, and this definitely goes in that athleisure category because it's still athletic looking, but you're just chilling. It's kind of just that leisure vibe. This time I took the hat off, went ahead, threw the Prada glasses on just to give you a different look, so you can kind of dress it up or dress it down. But it's definitely comfortable, and I'm glad that I picked this up. I can't wait to rock it more. All right, and for the next outfit, I do have my pack right here. I did order this from Adidas.com as well. Let me go ahead, give it a little slice, and let me peel it back because the vibes, man. So right here, this is the Adidas SST short set. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let me put this onto the side. And first, we do have the shorts, man. So we got the shorts right here. And it's like the same premise. You can't go wrong with an outfit. You already know it matches. You already know it's going to look good because it's a matching set. So let's go ahead and take this one out. Now, this is the SST. And this is the swirl woven shorts right here. Now, the retail on these is $50. And it's a little bit more expensive than the Tiro, but it's a different material as well. So right here, we do have that pink. It almost reminds me of like a Neapolitan, just without the brown. So we got the pink, we got the white, we got kind of like a mint green right here. But just another outfit, looks really good. We got the Adidas in that trefoil logo on the side. Right here, we do have the 3 stripes. You already know if it's Adidas, you probably gonna see 3 stripes somewhere. We got elastic waistband, drawstring to customize the fit. Now, the inside of this one is netted, but I would not suggest like getting in the water with these. I know usually woven shorts, like the Nike woven shorts, you get in the water, it's almost like swimming trunks. I wouldn't do that to these just because I feel like this outfit is a little bit too clean, too fly for that. But right here, we do have pockets, and like I said before, one thing that I love, we have pockets with a zipper. So you can't go wrong, pockets with a zipper. We got some good depth on those. And yeah, man, the back is very clean as well. Let's go ahead and see what these look like on body. And right here, I do have the shorts on. Went ahead and kept it nice with that fresh white tee. You got the New York Yankees hat right there. Zipper pockets, always a plus. That way you can keep your valuables safe, you feel me? So I'm very glad that these shorts do have the zipper pockets. Went ahead, threw on those Yeezy 450s just to give it, you know, that custom look, just like we have the drawstrings. I definitely prefer to have mine just hanging. But yeah, definitely overall a good pair of shorts. I have my jacket right here. As you can see, we got that size medium. I did get the shorts in a size medium. Everything in this video size medium. Here we go. We're gonna go ahead and take this one out. We have the same thing. Now this right here, the jacket is coming in at 80 bucks. It's retailing at $80. Let's go ahead and open this joint up, man. Same color scheme as the shorts. We got the mint green up top. We got the white. We got that pink, man. This is really giving me just a clean, really summery, even a springy type of a vibe, you feel me? Can't go wrong. Put on your favorite white shoes and you will be winning. Look at the back. It's the exact same. We have that left chest. We have the Adidas trefoil logo right there. The pink does go all the way down to the wrist area. 3 stripes. I mean, there's not too much to say. I do like this one little detail right here. Now the zipper on the jacket has a it's an Adidas symbol, so that's pretty nice. You feel me? Go ahead and open it up, and you're met with that same mesh that is inside of the shorts. And yeah, this just looks like a good outfit, man. So let me go ahead and put this on, and let me know if you want me to do. I have some other short sets that are not Adidas. I just got some Fear of God, you know, with the shorts and the sweater. So if you want me to do a video on those, let me know in the comments, man. But let me go ahead and put this on and show you what the whole outfit looks like together. Right here, I do have the jacket on with the shorts, and I mean, this is just a good look, man. I mean, it looks like the jacket was made for the shorts, because guess what? It was made for the shorts, man. But we got an overall clean fit right here. Threw on the 350 Yeezys, you know, just to give a different look. Yankee with the pink bottom, which is what ties in that pink in the outfit. And yeah, this is just overall a very clean looking fit. I mean, it's hassle free. You don't really have to worry about coordinating because it's already done for you. But don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know which outfit was your favorite out of the two. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.